I said that Callie saying. Is that what I said?
They're very not good.
I thought I said they're not good.
I thought you said they were good.
Are they good?
No.
They're not good?
No.
What's wrong?
They're too sweet. Are you crying?
How are they too sweet? I did like it said.
No, you didn't. You melted the butter. You're making him cry.
Oh, I'm going to laugh my ass off. Oh, shit. No, they're not good.
I can't breathe.
Oh, man.
Get out of here.
I'll throw my cookies. Yeah.
That is so cool. Don't you?
They're very not good.
No, they're not very good. They're not good. You said it again.
No, I didn't. Oh,
Yes, you
man.
did. You said they're very not good. You said it again.
No, really? Are they good?
No, they're not. We're not kidding.
What's
they're
wrong
not.
with them?
They're too sweet.
Oh, I did it like it said.
No, you melted the chips when you melted the butter. You got too hot and melted the chips.
Okay, so what's wrong with that?
It's too sweet.
Those are chocolate chips now.
Chocolate chips.
Got nuts in them. How's my sugar cookies?
I don't like sugar cookies.
Will you try one?
No,
You try my snickerdoodles?
I don't like snickerdoodles.
That's all I made though.
You messed up the snickerdoodles. What happened to the peanut butter cookies?
I have to throw them in the trash.
Why?
Cause.
Because why?
I told you why already.
I forgot.
Cause I didn't put oil in there. I put butter.
Why'd you do that, Joey?
Because I read the sugar cookie direction. I thought they were all